Hello everyone. In this one, we are looking at something that has changed how a lot of QA teams work, the Playwright MCP or Model Context Protocol. Let me show you the payoff before I explain more. It takes exactly 2 steps, and neither one is writing a test. First one is a one liner in a terminal window. We have this command Claude space MCP space add space playwright space double dash space npx space at playwright / MCP at latest. I'll hit enter. I already had the Playwright MCP installed, that is why it has given me an error. Otherwise, it is going to install the Playwright MCP for your Claude code. Similar commands are available for other AI tools like Codex, etc. You can use them as well. So, this command registers the Playwright MCP server with Claude code. Now, in this same session, I will open the chat and I will type a prompt in plain English. I'm going to start the Claude over here. And I'm going to paste my prompt over here, which says go to the demo site via base URL from config and open the / products page, search for a product, add it to the cart and tell me the total. Use Playwright MCP. I will hit enter over here. By the way, sometimes this VS Code Claude extension does not pick up the MCP server, but this command guy always works perfectly, at least for me. The MCP or Model Context Protocol is the bridge between an AI assistant and a live browser which is driven by Playwright. It is registered with a single command like the one you just saw. MCP itself is not limited to Claude code. MCP is an open protocol, and Playwright is not the only type of MCP available. There are multiple other MCP servers available for you to use. So, MCP is an open protocol, and many other agentic tools support MCP, each one with its own way of registering a server. Some through a command like this one, and others by editing a config file directly. We are using Claude code in this section, but just know that the same idea works elsewhere, and I cannot cover every option, but I believe I just gave you the idea. A good thing about Playwright MCP is that it hands the page accessibility tree. Every element's role and label is found by Playwright MCP, so it does not see a blue rectangle. It sees a button with a label add to cart. Same idea behind getByRole in our tests. For QA, this means that exploring a feature without writing selectors first, reproducing a bug from a ticket in a plain language, or checking a journey the way a person would describe it. One honest note: MCP is great for discovery, but it is not a replacement for your regression suite. And another one, registering the server does not always mean that your current chat session can see it anyway. MCP is great for discovery, but it is not a replacement for your regression suite. Registering the server does not always mean that your current chat session can see it right away. If Claude space MCP space list command shows that it is connected, but your assistant still can't reach it, that is almost always an old session. Start a new session and it picks up the registration. In wrap up, I would say that MCP drives a real browser by reading roles and labels, not just pixels, which is why Playwright MCP is fast and predictable. There is a lot more to the Playwright MCP server. For example, the planner and the generator agents, and the healer that fixes your broken tests, and running all of it in your CI pipeline. I cover all of it in my Playwright Udemy course. The link is in the description. See you in the next video.